Hi, my name is Patty and welcome to my YouTube channel. I tend to post videos on cleaning, home decor, and life as a working mama. So if you're into that, just keep watching and make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and click the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Getting super overwhelmed with cleaning. Like, I think you've noticed on my channel, I've been doing these massive laundry day videos because I literally have laundry 24/7. Like, it's just becoming so much and it gets pushed back till the weekend and then I have no time to do anything else. I've just been getting super overwhelmed with cleaning and just in general. So I thought I would try to implement a cleaning schedule. So today's video is going to be all about me creating this cleaning schedule that I'm going to try to work on for November. So I have a calendar, I'm going to write everything down, I'm going to take you over to the table and I'm just kind of going to show you what I have going on. And I think if I just split it up into little tasks each day, I won't feel so overwhelmed by the weekend because sometimes it's just it's just stressful. So let me bring you over to the table and I can kind of show you what I have and explain what I'm going to do. Now I have a blank piece of paper because I want to write down all of the cleaning tasks that I have to do, literally ever. I keep two planners. I have my YouTube planner and I just have my regular planner. So when I figure out kind of my schedule, I have the month of November. I'm just going to write all of this on here and then I can post it either in the kitchen, on the fridge, or I can keep it on me and I can just write out each task for each day because then it'll kind of keep me accountable. I can cross off the day when I'm done and I think it'll kind of be almost fun in a sense, when I could check this off because everybody loves checking things off their list. I'm going to start by just writing all of my tasks down on this sheet of paper. So first thing I want to do is Lo goes to daycare Wednesdays and Thursdays. So I want to just kind of block this out so I have an idea in my head hey, Patricia, I might not be able to get as much done in the morning or I might be able to get bigger things done at night because I don't pick her up until close to 6 o'clock. So I just want to keep that in mind because I do want to try to make my bed every single day. But I understand that on these 2 days that might not happen because the daycare rush in the morning is real. So just sort it out. So I'm going to start this whole thing actually on the 4th. And the cleaning schedule is just going to last Monday through Friday because those are the smaller tasks. So let me write in make bed. So I have those in. So I can just kind of cross that off my list. Now I have trash and clean out the fridge. So we always kind of just clean out the fridge when we do the trash. So I'm not going to put that, I'll just put trash. So our trash nights are Tuesdays and Fridays. Yes, we have 2 trash nights. So let me write in trash. And then I can cross it off the list over here. Now I think a great day for the vacuuming would be Thursday. So currently I have a job that I work nights and I typically have never been scheduled on the Thursday. So I know I can get that done. I can get that done actually while Lo's still at daycare so I don't have to worry about doing it when she falls asleep. And then at least I'm vacuuming at least once a week. Okay, so as far as, I had on my list over here, where is it about the bathroom? So bathrooms upstairs and downstairs, and then I put a separate thing for wiping down toilets and sinks. There is way too much time in between when I clean bathrooms. Keita's actually upstairs cleaning the bathroom right now, but it hasn't been cleaned in a while. So I thought, instead of just like trying to do a whole bathroom clean at once, I'll just do the wiping down toilets and sinks. Plus I have plenty of toilet bowl cleaners, so that would not be a problem at all. I think I'm gonna put that on Wednesday nights because, yet again, Lo is not home. I don't have to worry about that. I'll just put toilet and sink. I think I'm gonna clump it together. So wiping down kitchen on like say Tuesday nights. Since we're doing the trash, like that would be a good time to like clean up the kitchen. So kitchen wipe down is gonna be going on Tuesdays, which matches up perfectly with trash night. So I think I can put that on this one of the spots up here. I'll just put what the kitchen wipe down includes, so I know. Okay, so all that leaves is laundry, dishes, and picking up toys. So dishes is something we're gonna have to do like every single night. Laundry though, that's something I need to be doing constantly. Like I feel like it's something that I need to like plan out days for, at least Monday and Wednesday. Actually, I'm gonna do Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday, since I can get that a load done like right when I get home from work, in between the time when I said I get home and I have to pick Lo up. And picking up toys. I think that's something like I really need to get better at, having Lo pick up her toys. You know, helping her like before we go to bed each night. I think I'm just gonna leave that off the list for right now. I finished my little cleaning schedule. I really think this is something I can actually manage. Like I think when you're creating your cleaning schedule, you really need to think about like, what are your weekly tasks? Like, especially if you're like a working mom, because like, okay, you know from like this time to this time, like I have work, like I can't get this kind of stuff done. So I have to plan it out, like this is what I'm doing in the morning, this is what I'm doing at night, like, you know, if your kids are at daycare, like, okay, like I know I have this time in between when I'm done at work, when I pick them up, in my instance. If not, like, okay, well this is the time when I have to play with them, this is the time I have to play, like when they go to sleep. You have to really plan all that stuff out and really think logically, like what can I actually get done? So I really hope you enjoyed this little planning out of how I'm going to clean my house and keep a schedule. Thanks again for watching. Bye.